Omar, bro, I know you need to go Hatton Gardens, man. I'm coming to you. Bro, my car's filthy though, man. Alright, wait, I got a plan. Wait, hold on. Let me call my guy. Say. PolishnGlow. Yo, S, I need your help, bro. Where are you?
Yo, bro, I'm here, bro.
Oh my God,
What's
Assalamu
going
alaikum,
on, bro? What's going on?
S, basically, one of my mates, he's potentially buying a Rolex. Need your help, bro. I'm not going into Central when you know how my car gets attention, bro.
We're here to help you. We're gonna polish this up. We're gonna make it look amazing when it's ready for the Rolex.
My guy, bro.
Rock bottle on the track, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So as you guys seen, my car is filthy, right? The London weather's been disgusting. You wash it today, by the same day, in the same evening. I think if you go back to my previous video, you'll realize, yeah, that I washed it the same day. But anyways, yeah, you wash it now, it gets dirty straight away. But right now, today, I need to go to Central. I've got 1-2 meetings, and I need to take one of my mates to go buy a watch, potentially a few other jewelleries. So with me today, I've got PolishnGlow. So I got my boys with me, right? PolishnGlow. Check their Insta, check their socials. I'll put it down below, right? 10. When I say any car that you have, doesn't matter if it's a Rolls Royce, doesn't matter if it's a Ferrari, or doesn't matter if it's a little, was it Beetle or something, a Corsa, Micra, whatever, any small car. They treat anything the same. I tell you, their work is amazing, right? Check them out below. And yeah, so S, run me through, man. What we doing to my car today, bro?
We're gonna do something amazing today. You're gonna get the PolishnGlow treatment.
Yeah.
We've got a little surprise for you today as well. You ready? Are you ready?
Go on, bro.
We've got the Yiannimize products, yeah?
Right.
With the PolishnGlow touch.
Yeah, that's hard.
Big Yanni, come on, Yiannimize.
Yeah, let's see, bro. Let's see the hype. So obviously, Yiannimize, one of very, very big entrepreneur in London, right? In London, yeah, in London. Anyway,
the world,
so he does in the world. I would say, yeah, that's what I was thinking. But anyways, he does car wrapping, tinting, detailing now, whatnot. Very known on social media. If you're in the car scene, you know who Yiannimize is. And let's see what his magic's about, man.
Let's see what this is about, man.
Oh, that looks sick.
Yo, my guy, the car's all ready. Central London.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, you made it look glossy, bro. That's the PolishnGlow magic.
We used the Yiannimize product on your car today as well, bro.
Yanni's Yanni, man. We all know he's too good. But you, man, honestly, bro, Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much, bro.
It was a pleasure working with you.
Guys, big shout out to Polish and Glow, man. They made my car look glistening. Boys, Jazakallah, bro. Thank you so much, man.
Big thanks, bro.
Honestly, appreciate it, bro. Thank you so much. Right. So it comes to an end. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys have used Yanni's products before, right? Give me a comment below. Let me know what you guys actually thought of the product. I'll be honest with you. For me personally, it looks sick, man. It looks sick. Right. If you guys like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, please. Right. And comment below what you guys want to see next. Right. Thank you so much, man. Big love.